Yeah, you what that? Yeah, Chichi, what that? Okay, que time I'm more GBL. How much time more GBL? Okay, don't worry, I will come and get it. Maybe. Okay, no problem. No problem. Take your time, okay? Bye.
Yes. Granite. But we cannot have a I think I put dodging. Okay. Now, not the middle issue. They were. And you were going to say, remember, but you see, but one might be either New York.
This food is the
When I leave, there's a my closest door never. Yeah, welcome. I'm going stage. Check, hey! You go to the lodge now, already. So, I got that long pass.
Hold on.
So, I give us all. I have patient in the lodge. As a young guy. Jack, I should come back to him. Because he I read later. How does that? What analogy? Sanford, Guana. Because you're the logic. How are you?
Thank you. They can't have watching my car only 5 years at a time. I get to hear him. I saw it. I need to hear him. I see that guy. Yeah, we're running. Oh, yeah, I can't have a situation. I'm going to run away. I never had a machine. Oh, yeah, then I can't have a machine. George, I'm going to take
I got a member Sunday. We do have a more Jim or Ghana. I'm going with that. Before them was the crowd is too much. That night I'm by there for the crowd is Monday. I'm going to buy and this night my mind Sunday. Down reached out. Down like to reach out. We organized a dinner last minute in December. Should be good in some of my family. Some of my neighbors not, I don't know. I'm hearing you, I don't know. Which I'll be able to be, I have 4 people. You're going to try to find a good driver to try again. I find that you're in my motor. Futara ni ọmọ futara, kamu makari futara nama ọ̀rẹ́ wo. Mo bo only she in the present organization. No makari wo batch. Okay. No pani mire da kari. Extra second. Also.
My own within the more financial secretary organization. No.
There. Also, I educate you. That's not one of them. Someone here can.
Yeah. I'm only him.
Yes.
Never.
Yeah, thank you. I'm on yoga. I got that. Love. I think to the mama to like yes.
Then we got one the other member of our organization. I'm not very offensive to long.
Yes.
2 months ago.
I want to say God is there,
I'll be judging.
Yes.
only. And not at the border of Africa on one side, Africa on the other side, Pura on one side, Cross River, and the conference. Come on, friend, wherever we do ascension, what they would tie, even though most of us are helpless. I'd consider a second class accommodation. But the value we call it, we drop the value. That more good than us. Even to a point when you share the I'm sure you understand what I mean. EG or EG, if you proceed doing it from where you put it upon yourself, you didn't have to. You take care of your neck. What happened to Quagga? And here you are. You've been through it.
That's still a shark.
So I show you that you're brief and you pay the price. People don't buy, and you still keep paying the price. But that fight, both fight is at the heart of every core Igbo. Sorry, my country, 3 different times. A week ago, I received Tony Magic. We actually had a dinner. We had a dinner with Star and we had a conversation. We don't know what is possible. At the end of it all, if I pursue your if I won't pursue you. So I'm saying I'm happy here. You may see a life. Take it in your heart that if I'm able to let's find a cemetery, you can think to it. I took what is your for Taishi and man to lives. You will know Taishi and lives. I'm not saying I'm career. Then I'm not going to be fortunate.
Sorry,
there one.
Where they can have like it was and I one day I went to shop not the organization. And that's not happening. And I don't know about I'm not gonna get not money. One more time she may because I don't want to go now. I want a few minutes, you know, but I want to meet an
Why didn't we go to the place?
Thank you.
You want to go to people?
Wait. Get it cool. Oh, it's
I had arranged that on the board, as a of the organization, the number tire will be able this evening.
I have to waste time. Let's go there. Can we go there?
I don't know. What time?
It's 15 minutes.
Kunu Jebido the meeting.
Let's go there. Can I have you vlogging?
So, you know others now.
Can I walk with them there? Her package.
Okay. And when you're using the package, they then. Other than imagine me just auto use so.
Okay, I ain't gonna
Maybe.
no people.
Where am I?
My own upstairs.
No problem.
No, I ain't gonna give anybody there.
Near Honso.
Oh, good. No, good to hear that. So,
Where are those people? Excuse me.
Don't worry, I got it.
yes. So, I mean, all the area that I was going, and thankfully, in my like more when you bake. Now, I may with him doesn't know no, I'm not giving my him saying okay, and I told you anything. So, and Focus play well. Right away, why didn't you go there? That's where we are. So the thing with them where I mentioned I read the line there, that's saying for security reasons. Now, I said, what? Well, let's security go on in New York. George, you know, so all of you know, well, let her give me trying to be a wine. Give me. Okay, so what I say, I come one house and it was can happen. I go out there. Then we look at them. One album now for one album. You know, yeah. So when I get lazy, you know, I go there.
Mazikan, yeah, what's my goal for all the goodwill and followers they gather? So, here now what I'm saying, not the answer. How come I take advantage of it? Where control what the governorship of the Southeast, at least guys here about.
It's a good question. This would appear by different rules. Example, you know, when people came back and failed this class compound, talking about themselves. This is where no one I got to vote. In your own compound, can you vote you will fail. And yes, there is zero, your compound is zero. And here they are not. Then how one the paper halfway that he even failed in his compound. I was what result? I said that I got. Because they know that the only thing we are lacking is serious financial support. And even support to militants and any part of Nigeria within 2 weeks. So they don't want to. So you know, like or knowing the financial muscle to carry out this agitation to its rightful conclusion, they'll put it up. But on look alike, look at support. You're not got to this. That's better. And then you have a I got Nigeria send the battle of vote in Lagos. What do you want to Lagos and I say, you need one Nigeria? You know, physically, but in the company, I said, you do more than or this particular president, you need to vote here. How about that? Go vote and not what in the Rania have on here. A man in Abuja, a man like Corona, a man like Kano. People are going to go one Nigeria. I can't understand that. I want to go to the more, the more. I can't go in the phone. I go with all due respect. I can't. I want to just hang about at least I got on 1 hour. I have shut them down because now we're playing and someday I talk to you. United Nations and has a lot more. Excuse me. I'll go there. Okay, not please. Not saying who you are. Let's say we do the session. You general assembly. Ego oil of pushing around. Just that they give all the concession to the exactly to make sure. Okay, please. Can you
So we divisi aya kwa kuma abozi amu kota ye kama bi bokin na je amakana ma bia na de na akwa bi bo sai na bi chola e go ni na campus if all of you o nya jo ni o nya Dewo.
Imana mam no ya son no ne isi na meto na ceiling bosi.
Oh my son.
My goodness. He is
an amazing sight to see.
Well, I did have surprising though, you know, because I like father like son. 18 years of age, he's almost like 6'6".
My goodness.
He's gonna hit 7 very easily.